let me give you a brief intro how our session will go. So how the session will be like a it's like a two-way session. So I used to explain all the way. So you have to practice offline and you have to get the questions to the next day immediately. You have to get the questions if you have anything, and if you don't have anything, or in the between the class, if you got any question, if you are not able to understand, so you have to raise your hand and you have to ask your question, so that everyone that will be helpful for everyone. That is our basic session that it will go. And second thing, I just want to let you know, so most of the people who are here are from the technical background, as I understand. So very few people are only from finance background. So most of the people are technical background. So I will go session at very basics. Okay. So we'll start the session at very basics. So the other people who knows the financials, you have to bear with me, because there are most of the people are from technical. So I have to take them together with me. Okay. So you have to understand on that. Please bear with me on that. Okay. So may I know who's this Money? Someone has joined with Money. Hello.
Yeah, hi. Hi.
Who's
Hi,
this?
this is Money. Hi, Vamsi, how
Money.
are you?
I'm doing good. So Manigaru, how did you got the link?
Just now tech leads and some link.
Okay, so you got the link from the tech leads.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so can you please make yourself? So I can see there are two people. So you're in the tech leads office, or you connected from home?
From home.
Because I can see two people. May I know the other person also name?
Okay, he is also my friend. He is also wants to join the fusion.
Okay, okay. So may I know his name, please?
Yeah, hi, my name is Ram.
Hi, Ramgaru. So Manigaru and Ramgaru, can you please give me a brief intro about yourself also?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, hi, this is Money, and already I'm working in Oracle in R12. Currently, I want to learn to fusion. He is
Okay.
my friend. He is Ram Reddy. He is working a US IT recruiter.
Okay.
He's also want to learn a fusion module because
Okay.
of.
Yeah. So that means so Ramgaru, you're from uh, core HR, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that is fine. That is fine. So don't worry, Ramgaru. So here the group is like totally technical group where they don't have any experience on fusion at all. Okay. So
Okay.
not
Okay.
only in fusion, so the group does not have an experience in ERP as well. So we will go through from the basics in our session. Is that okay,
Oh,
Ramgaru?
yeah. Yeah,
Right.
that's fine.
So the other thing I want to tell you, friends, so you will get all the recordings. So every day the session will be recorded, and you will get the recording on the weekend. Okay. So on the weekend you will get all the recordings. So I just started recording of this session as of now. So let us start. So good morning, all of you. So we are here to discuss a brief introduction about the Fusion Cloud. So what is the Fusion Cloud? One second, sir. Okay. So what is the Fusion Cloud and what is the use of that Fusion Cloud? Let us see. So Oracle Fusion application. So the Fusion application. So first of all, how many of you know what is meant by ERP? So the ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning. We call it as a enterprise resource planning. So what is this? ERP is meant for. So enterprise resource planning, where you are going to integrate multiple applications together and achieve as a global record, as a global record. So in this ERP, you're going to have, so for a particular organization, if you take any organization, there will be multiple departments or multiple departments or multiple businesses you're going to have. So any business or any finance people or any business wants to track all of the transactions from end to end. From end to end, they want to track for every transaction. So for that, the only solution that we have is enterprise resource planning. So implementing an ERP is the only way that you can track all the end-to-end transaction flows in a particular organization. So end-to-end transaction flows means, say for example, from purchasing. So from the starting of the purchase or from the starting of the requisition. So let's say if a particular organization is required some stationery. So some stationery items required. So if you are a business or if you are the company or if you are owning a company, okay, so assume that you people are owning a company, okay. So if you people are owning a company, so your company requires some stationery items. So what you are going to do? So when you require the stationery items, so you will go to the different shops and inquire about the price and choose one shop where you are getting less price, and you're going to order something, and you're going to get the data, you're going to get the material, the stationery, and instead of that, you will make the payment to that shop vendor or the vendor. So this is a total end-to-end flow for a purchasing of a stationery item. So assume an organization having 10,000 people, employees around the world, global company around the world having 10,000 to 20,000 people. So for them, implementing or having this process is not simple. So we need to have every place, we need to have a control. And so we have to stop the fraudulent transactions. And every transaction should have a transparency to ensure all this. So we recommend to go for a ERP. We recommend, as a chartered accountants or a cost accountants or a system people, we recommend to implement an ERP. So now, what all the ERPs are available in the market? So any questions on the ERP side? So what is meant by ERP? Any questions from anyone? Mani Garu and Ram Garu, Justin. So any other questions from anyone? Anyone having any questions, please let me know. Don't wait for others. You have full right to ask the questions. Vikram, do you have any questions on this? What is meant by ERP? You are clear or not?
Yeah, I'm clear, sir.
Perfect. Now, so what all the ERPs are available in the market? So there are lots and lots of thousands and thousands of ERPs are available. Among them, the top 5 ERPs are SAP, Oracle, and the top 5 ERP providers: SAP, Oracle, and PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and the Siebel. The Siebel is not also a top 5 only. So these are all the top ERPs that are available. Microsoft ERP also. So these are all the top 5 ERPs are available in the market. These are all the top 5 ERPs are available in the market. Now, so in last 7 years, the technology has got changed, and the maintenance of hardware and software is getting huge cost, right? So maintenance of hardware, so the hardwares with having big RAMs and memory, and maintaining the software licenses has got huge cost. So to address this, a technology has got changed, or there is a new technology that has been introduced called cloud services. So what is this cloud services? So the cloud services are nothing but so there is a group, there is a common company, say for example Amazon. So Amazon is going to buy or is going to invest and buy a big server having a huge memory and huge RAM. And then so Amazon will sell the space of the server to the companies where they can go and install their softwares or install their ERPs and run the business. That is a Amazon cloud service. So like that, the cloud model business or the cloud model technology has got increased because of, has got more demand because of its low cost and low maintenance. So where you don't need to invest, you need not to invest as a capital investment won't be there, and maintenance also will not be there, because you need not to place a, you need not to allocate a room, and you need not to maintain the electricity, you need not to maintain the internet and power backups. So all this stuff will be is not our headache. It's a headache of Amazon. So, but for that, whatever the space that we are using, we have to pay rent for the space that we are using for Amazon. So that is how it is working, the cloud model business. So because of this cloud model, Oracle also has introduced delivering the ERP or implementing the ERP in cloud model. So Oracle also has got a thought, why can't we deliver the ERP in a cloud model? Because Oracle is holding a very huge big database. That is nothing but Sun database. So in last few years, 5 to 6 years back, even SAP also uses the Sun database only. So Oracle is having a very huge database, so called Sun database. So as we are the database providers, so why can't we buy the servers and why can't we start the business on cloud? Or why can't we deliver the software on cloud model? So with that thought, Oracle has introduced Fusion. So Oracle has developed the Fusion. So this is a whole background of the Fusion. And so the Fusion also is a ERP, is a full-fledged ERP. So end-to-end ERP, which is having a new technology model business, and which established the new standards that we can deliver, or we can give the ERP also in cloud model. So that is a new standards that it has taken, and it is very much adaptive to the users, because they can access the application from anywhere in the world. They need not to be in the organization network. So that is a very much adaptive, and the Fusion ERP has been designed in such a way that the users will like very easily. So just like your Facebook, so how the Facebook will be looks like, it's very colorful and very attractive pages will be there. The same way Oracle has developed Fusion also with that kind of colorful and attractive pages they designed. And not only that attraction, so Fusion with that attraction, so whatever the business requires, so for the respective users, what area they need to concentrate, what information they need at any particular point of time. So they concentrated on that, and that is the reason it is very much adaptive for the users also. So now let's see. So Oracle Fusion Applications is an ERP software which is a complete set of business So it is also a complete set of business. So where applications, where you are going to have, or you're going to address, or you are going to integrate all of your departments around the world, or across the world, wherever you have an expansion, or wherever your foot was there, or your feet was there. So to that each location you can integrate and you can collect the data in a single ERP. So that is what Oracle Fusion Applications is. An ERP software, is also an ERP software which is a complete set of business applications that sets a new standards for innovation, work and adoption. So for innovation, work and adoption. So innovation means the Fusion will be delivered in a cloud model, where you're going to have less cost, less maintenance cost, and less capital investment. So you can work anywhere, any corner of the world. You need not to have the connectivity, or you need not to be there in the LAN connectivity. So the only thing is that you have to ensure that you have a internet access. That would be sufficient, so that you can go and connect with your cloud ERP. So that is a work. You can get the work done from any corner of the world. And adoption. So the people also very much interested, or the users, the business users also very much interested in adopting the work, adopting this new Fusion ERP, because it has been designed in a colorful manner. So that is a work so that sets a new standards for innovation, work and adoption. So this is all about the cloud ERP and how Fusion is being built. So the Fusion is being built from the best features of the following ERPs. So Oracle is holding a lot of ERPs and a lot of softwares that it is holding. So they want to get, so they have delivered this Fusion Cloud from the best features of each ERP. So they have taken the best features from each ERP. Say for example, following are the 4 ERPs that they are holding as of now. So e-business suite, which is one of the most popular ERP for financial solution, or for financial or accounting solution. So the EBS is a strong, or is a famous ERP. And then JD Edwards. So JD Edwards is very strong, or is famous for its manufacturing solution, for its supply chain management solution. So say for example, if your manufacturing unit, if your company is a manufacturing unit and you want to do a manufacturing of the products, so how the life cycle should go for a particular product, how the cost should be accounted, or how the cost of the product should be accumulated, and how at which rate that we need to sell to the customer, and what is the profit that we are earning from each of the product. So that solution, so JD Edwards is very strong and very famous in that solution. And PeopleSoft. So PeopleSoft is very famous in its HCM solution, and the HCM solution, maintaining the employee resources and giving the promotion cycle and their employee life cycle. So the PeopleSoft is very strong in that, and it is very famous in that employee life cycle. And the last and final one is Siebel. Siebel is very strong in the sales part, and so Siebel is very strong in the sales part. Say for example, we have to so the sales promotions, so sales promotions, advertisements, and recruiting the sales people, giving their sales credits such as commissions, and giving the discounts to the customers. So all that stuff will be taken care by. So the Siebel is famous for that stuff. Now Oracle has developed a single ERP solution having the best features from each of the ERP. So they have taken the best features of each ERP, possible best features of each ERP. So EBS, they have taken the financial solution. JD Edwards, they have taken the supply chain and manufacturing solution. PeopleSoft, they have taken the HCM and payroll solution. And Siebel, they have taken the sales solution, and they've clubbed together and they released a new cloud ERP called Fusion. Any questions on this? So if you start looking the Fusion, in every point, it is best now in the market. Any questions on this?
Yeah, Vamshi.
Go ahead, Ramgaru.
Yeah, here we are looking Oracle Fusion and Oracle Cloud, both are same, right? It's not different.
I'll go to that. I'll take you to that. Just wait, Ramgaru. So
Okay.
now that is the reason I'm not giving that it as a cloud. So I'm using the word Oracle Fusion. That's it. Oracle
Okay.
Fusion is a ERP. That's it as of now.
Okay, you mean to say here you are saying from all other ERPs from JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, CBL, what all the best features are available? Oracle buy that and it is incorporated in our EBS and it is released Oracle Fusion version?
No. It is being incorporated in Fusion. So they developed the Fusion as a separate ERP solution. So EBS is one ERP and Fusion is another ERP. It is both are not at all related. Okay. So they have taken the best features from EBS, they have taken the best features from JD Edwards, they have taken the best features from PeopleSoft, and they have taken the best features from CBEL, and they merged together and they released a new ERP called Fusion. That's it.
Okay, Oracle Fusion is it is a Oracle product, right?
Yes. Now Oracle Fusion is a Oracle product. So
Okay.
licensed product from Oracle.
Okay, got you. Thank you.
Okay. So it is not at all EBS. So EBS is one ERP and Fusion is another ERP. Just like JD Edwards, PeopleSoft and CBEL, Fusion also is another ERP. That's it.
Got you.
Okay. Now, any other questions from anyone on this? Justin, you are able to understand? Mani Garu, Vikram, any questions? Divya Garu, any questions?
Yeah, everything, sir. Right.
Okay. That's great. Thank you. So now let us proceed. So not only the best solutions are named. So nowadays people are looking for best solution for their business flow. Along with that, they are looking for how they can report their transactional data as well as the financial data. So they are looking for a reporting tool to report their transactional data as well as financial data. Say, for example, I'm the finance controller or I'm the vice president for procurement. So I don't want to see all the list of purchase orders as a tabular data. That will not give me any information. So I need as a whole a clear picture of my procurement or in a single page. I don't want to click multiple things. So in a single page, I want to see as a whole about my cloud, about my procurement or about my financial state. So that is kind of another solution, reporting solution that people are looking for in recent days. For that, Oracle has a lot of reporting tools, So now what they have done is they have taken all the reporting tools and included in this Fusion ERP itself. So along with the best features, Fusion ERP is going to give the best reporting tools also. So let's see what are all the reporting tools that are there. So Oracle Fusion Applications also provides a powerful reporting tools which empowers the top management to take the business decisions. So what is for taking the business decisions, the top management don't require the big list of reports. They need a very high level reports for them to analyze and to take the decisions. So for that, Oracle is the single point solution. Oracle Fusion is a single point solution which is having a powerful reporting tool which includes graphical reporting. So the Oracle itself, Fusion itself will give you the graphical reporting, Andy. So where all the data you can see in a graphs, how the cash flows are going, whether there is an upwards cash flows or downwards cash flows, or what is the sales, whether it is the upwards sales or downward the sales compared to previous year. So that kind of reporting tools that we are going to use in Fusion ERP. So let's see what all the reporting tools are available in Fusion as of now. Following are the reporting tools are available. So we call it as a KPIs, key performance indicators, and dashboards, ad hoc reporting using Opp-ESi, which is nothing but Oracle Business Intelligence application, and the real-time reporting using OTBI, which is nothing but online transactional business intelligence, and FR reports, which is nothing but financial reports, and Hyperion reporting. So these are all the different reporting tools that are there in Fusion, which will give you a powerful reports for the middle management or lower management or top management. According to their requirement or according to their needs, it will give you the related reports. Any questions on this? Ram Garu, Justin, any questions from anyone?
So these are all reports are predefined reports?
Right. So these are all, some of the reports are predefined reports, and some of the reports we can do customization.
Okay.
Okay. So we can do customization, and all the reports we can do. So Oracle will allow you to do the customization or to get a custom reports according to the business requirements. You can do with all the reporting tools according to the business requirements. So for each reporting tool will give you the different look and feel for your top management as well as middle management. So according to the feasibility and according to the data availability, we have to choose as a consultant, we have to choose which model of reporting tool that we have to use.
So in Fusion, there is no Oracle reports and forms?
No.
Okay.
No reports and no forms. Okay. Oracle Fusion. Shall we proceed, Ramgar? Any questions?
No, I am good. Thank you.
Right. Now, so this is not required, and we'll discuss that later. Now, so Ramgar, to answer your question, so the Fusion implementations is going on in two models, and so normally the Fusion can be implemented in two models. One is on-premise implementation, and other one is cloud implementation. So if you're going with the on-premise implementation, so the model is like just like your EBS. So you have to buy the server, you have to buy the database, and you have to buy the software license and install the software in your database and do the configuration and use that application for your business transactions. That is the on-premise model. So the Fusion is available in on-premise model as well as in cloud model also. So the cloud model that we already discussed in the beginning of the session. So the servers and the software license, database, everything will be maintained by Oracle, and we are going to use the services of the Oracle to access the application. That's it. So Oracle will give you the URL with the username and password. So with that, you can access the application. That is a cloud model of implementation. So you need not to in the cloud model, you need not to maintain the database, you need not to maintain the DBS, you need not to invest on the servers, you need not to invest on the software, you need not to invest on the hard database license. Everything will be taken care by Oracle. We need not to worry. So if you are implementing the Fusion in on-premise model, that is a on-premise ERP, and if you are implementing Fusion in cloud model, that is a cloud ERP. Is that clear, Ramgaru? Had I answered your question?
Yeah, here one question. Here on premises, in the sense Oracle Fusion also we can implement like how current ERP is going on.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And the cloud in the sense just we can get the one URL and just you need to register and you need to implement your application, as per your business.
As per your customer business, we have to implement or we have to configure the application.
And
they can, yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, in the cloud, so basically the database and everything we can connect from that URL only, or
okay, now let us talk about the database connection. So there won't be any database connectivity for us in Fusion Cloud. You cannot access the database at all. So You cannot access the database, and you cannot see the table structure, how it is in cloud.
So basically, there will be no work for technical consultants in cloud.
Yep.
Am I right?
Yes. So to
Okay.
say
So
yes.
only the for reporting purpose, what all new reports which is coming in the future, just technical consultant need to.
I'll let you know, sir. I'll let you know. There is some other work also is there for technical people. So we'll discuss that part. Just
Okay.
wait. Just wait for 2 minutes. So now in cloud ERP, even the reportings also, it is not your previous reporting tools that we follow in the. So it is a very latest reporting tools that we use, and it is very different from your historical or from your SQL or whatever the reporting tools that you use. It is totally different in Fusion, how the reports will be working in Fusion. Okay, so we'll discuss on that. Now, even in cloud model also, in cloud model implementation also, there are 3 models of implementation. Even in cloud, we call it as a SaaS, software as service, and PaaS, platform as service, and there is another one, it was not there here. The last and final one is IaaS. We call it as a infrastructure as service. These are the 3 models of implementations will be there. Even in cloud also, these are all the sub model of implementations in cloud itself. So in SaaS, software as service, so Oracle will give you the software only, which includes the database and everything, server access, everything. So they will give you the software, and you have to get into the application and do the configuration and do the track your implementation, track your transactions. So in this SaaS model, there is no customizations that you can do. Say for example, I want to have some different ERP. So there is a separate or legacy tool, or there is a third-party tool that I had, and I want to integrate the third-party tool with the Fusion Cloud. It is not possible in SaaS model. So in SaaS model, the only thing that you can do is reports. That's it. And the remaining is a pretty much vanilla implementation. Vanilla implementation means a pretty much standard implementation that you have to do in SaaS model. Any questions on from anyone on this SaaS model? Anyone? Damodar Garu, Justin, Mani, Ramchandra Garu, Subbai Garu, Suresh, Divya Garu, Vikram. Any questions from anyone? You can go ahead now.
Yeah, sir. So in SaaS model, sir, can we integrate something else which is not a part of Fusion or something like that?
No, that is what I'm saying. SaaS model, you cannot include any other third-party tool which is not part of Fusion ERP.
Okay.
That you cannot do. That will be not there in SaaS model. So in SaaS model, it is a pretty much standard solution that Oracle has designed. So whatever the designed by the Oracle, you have to follow that in SaaS model. So getting point or not now on this?
Yeah, right.
Damodar Garu, Justin, Mani Garu, Ramchandra Garu, any questions from anyone?
No, sir.
Perfect.
Only.
Now, let us go to the PaaS model of implementation. In platform as service or in PaaS model of implementation, so you can do the customizations, or you can do an integration with the third-party system. So Ram Garu, this is what the other work for technical people. So if you want to integrate a third-party system, so you need a technical person to do that. So even here, the integration, we are going to use the web services only. It is not like extracting the data and placing the data in the Fusion tables, Fusion interface table. We cannot create program. So it is through web services. You have to move the data from third-party system to Fusion Cloud. So that is another activity that a technical person is going to be taken care. Is that clear, Ramgar?
Okay, in the PaaS model, right?
In PaaS model. So now in PaaS model, we call it as a platform as service. In PaaS model, Oracle will give you the Fusion Cloud ERP, At the same time, so any other third-party tool which is running in cloud model or any other on-premise server, you're maintaining any third-party system, you can do an integration with that, with the third-party system, whether it is in cloud or whether it is in whether it is in your on-premise server. So wherever it is, you can do an integration with that third-party system in platform as service.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the third model is IaaS. So here in the IaaS, we call it as the infrastructure as service. So Oracle will provide you or will get you the total infrastructure. So in SaaS and PaaS model, you're going to get a shared infrastructure only. So Oracle will buy a big server and place in a particular room or server room, and they will share, they will partition that server into a logical or into a logical sharing they will do, into a logical sharing or into a virtual, it will break the server or it will break the total big server into virtual small servers, and they will share that small servers to the customers. So that is a SaaS and PaaS. That means in a single database or in a single infrastructure, you can have multiple people. But in IaaS, it is not like that. And in infrastructure as service, in that IaaS model, Oracle will buy infrastructure which is specifically for your usage. So for a particular user, customer has came to Oracle and they requested Oracle that they need the cloud ERP, but they don't want to share the server with anyone, and they need the server to be placed in a specific location specified by the customer, and with the specific conditions and with the specific firewalls on the top of the servers. So everything will be controlled by Oracle, but there will be a single server that or single infrastructure that Oracle will buy for that specific customer, and that will not be shared to anyone else. That is called infrastructure as service. We call it as a IaaS model. Any questions on this? These are the three models that are there in Fusion Cloud as of now. Any questions, Ram Garu, Justine? Any questions from anyone? Okay, let us proceed. So these are all the Fusion implementation models that we have discussed. Let us proceed further. So the Fusion applications. So following are the applications are there in Fusion application in Fusion. So financial management, HCM human capital management, PPM project portfolio management, procurement, supply chain management, GRC governance risk and compliance, and CRM customer relationship management. These are the different applications are available in Fusion, and each application is going to have modules only. So now let us get into the financial management. So we are here to discuss on the financial management. Human capital management, PPM, procurement, SCM, GRC, and CRM are the different applications are there in Fusion Cloud itself. So we are here to discuss on the financial management only. So our session will concentrate on the financial management only. In financial management, you're going to have general ledger, sir, 1 second, someone has joined. Friends, 1 second. One second, friends. There is one person is waiting for us. Is not able to connect. Let me help him. Okay, sorry, friends. Now, in financial management itself, um, the general ledger, accounts payable, asset management, payments and collections, accounts receivable, cash and expense management. So these are all the different modules are there in Fusion Financial Management. The same way in CRM, you're going to have different modules. You can take the screenshot. As of now, you can take the screenshot. And PPM, you're going to have, these are the different modules you're going to have in PPM. So we should know, Andy, we should know what all the modules are available in each of the applications, so that it will be easy for us when we are doing the real implementation. And if anyone asking that this application or this module is falling under which application, whether that application is ours or not. So to understand that, we should know what all the modules are available in each of the application. So that is the reason I'm giving you the list of modules are available in each of the application. So Sampatkar, you're able to hear us now?
Yes, yes.
Great. So you are a bit late, Sampatkar, because we are almost at the end of the demo.
I mean, it's
So
starting at 7 o'clock, right?
6:30 ending. 6:30.
6:30. Okay. Actually, they told me at 7 o'clock today.
So who told that?
No, no, I got a message. That's why I'm saying.
No, I just want to know. So from whom you got that? So is it from
Uh,
tech leads or from anyone else?
no, no, I got a message.
Okay.
Just,
Actually, a WhatsApp message you got, right?
yeah. 7
Any
o'clock,
other, through
2nd
any
April
other?
18th.
Okay. Actually,
Similar
it is at,
technical.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, it is at 6:30 and
Okay. Thank you for the information.
okay. So these are all the. So don't worry, Sampath Garu. If you share your email ID in the chat, I can send you the video of this demo, so you can go through that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Now, so these are all the PPM modules, and these are all the procurement. So these are all the procurement modules that you're going to have in Fusion Cloud. So we should know what are all the applications that we had, that are then only so that I already told you. So please write down or please make a note of that. What are all the applications that you are having in Fusion procurement? And these are all the modules that you're going to have in supply chain management. You can take the screenshots, friends. Please, you can take the screenshots. And these are all the. So now I just want to give you one more thing. 1 second. I want to open another PPT, friends. Hold on a minute. Right. So now in our session, what are all the modules that we are going to cover? So mostly we are going to cover the general ledger, payables, receivables, assets, cash management and tax management, budgeting, global intercompany and expense management. So in tax management, we are going to discuss GST and global, GST in India, goods and service tax, how you're going to configure GST in Fusion Cloud, we are going to discuss. And for this new batch, we are introduced another new module called Revenue Management Cloud Service, RMCS. Even that also we will see in our session. So these are all the total 10 modules that we are going to see end to end in our financial management solution. Any questions on this?
All right, so I have one question. Like, if there, like shown, like we have financials and we have like human resource. So, is there some way that we can integrate the components of human
Yeah,
resource
yeah,
into?
yeah. See, this is a ERP. So there will be an inbuilt integration will be there between all the applications. So you need not to do a specific integration. Okay, but
All right.
we are not here to discuss all the applications, but we will see the integration points, how we are going to get the data from HCM or HR, or how we are going to initiate the purchase order or purchase requisition for supply chain management. So how we are going to maintain our sales records, all those stuff we will see, but from the point of view of the financial management.
Yeah, right. Right. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll take that view and we'll see all the integration stuff. Okay, so that is our session that will go. So in detailed, we will discuss all these applications and modules, friends. Now, along with these modules and applications, we are going to discuss the following reporting tools: OTBI reports, smart views, financial reports, dashboards, and BIP reports. These are all the 5 reporting tools that we are going to discuss. For our for as a functional people, even in Fusion, the functional people itself, they have to prepare the reports. There won't be much technical people, so you should know how to prepare the reports. Along with these reporting tools, we are going to discuss the BPM workflows. BPM workflows are nothing but approval workflows. Say for example, I have initiated a requisition, and that should be, so I have initiated a requisition that I need headphones, and that should be approved by my manager. How that approval will go, so what level of approvals it should be, and how we are going to configure that approval workflow, all that stuff we will see in this Fusion applications, how to configure the BPM workflows. And the data roles, so data roles are nothing but security. So which user has access of what part of the application. So we discussed these are all the multiple applications or the modules are there. Multiple applications and modules are there. In these multiple applications and modules, which person has to access to which module will be decided by the data roles. So even that part we will see. We call it as a data roles. Even that part we will see. And the last and final one is Oracle Unified Methodology. So Oracle Unified Methodology is nothing but it is a new model of implementation methodology which is different from AIM methodology. So here in Oracle Unified Methodology, how we are going to maintain the documents, what are all the documents that we need to prepare, and how it is different from AIM methodology. So in every document that we are preparing for OUM, Oracle Unified Methodology, what all the blocks will be there, what is a sample document, how it looks like, everything that we are going to see in Oracle Unified Methodology. So any questions from anyone on this? Now, Kishore Garu, Madhu Garu, can you please join after 5 minutes, please? If you don't mind. Thank you. Any questions from anyone on this now? Right. Now, our total training phase will go like this only. So after taking training, after understanding the application, it is not sufficient that you can go directly to the business to the implementation project and do the implementation, because you are not from ERP background, because you are not from the ERP background. So that is the reason in our session itself, we want to give you the real-time training also. The real-time training means so it will go with the real implementation project. We'll take the real implementation project, or we'll take the real implementation customer requirements and how those requirements will be. So how that implementation, a real-time implementation will go. So we'll go through that phases of our training. So we'll take the real implementation business requirements and we'll do the solution, how we can do the solution, and then we will do the testing, or we'll do the configure testing. So all that stuff will go with the real implementation project lines, and so in line with our real implementation project. That is what our training phases will go, friends. So you can see, we'll start with the requirement gathering, then do the solution mapping, setups, testing, reports, and legacy migration, and finally we'll go live. So this is our training phases that we walk through or that we go through. Any questions? And in each of the phase or in each of the phase, we'll have a plenty of so we'll concentrate on that particular phase. In the requirement gathering, how we are going to gather the requirements. We'll take the business, real business requirements, and we'll see how those requirements will be analyzed, and then how you're going to do the solution in the solution mapping phase. So any questions on this training phase? So this is all about our Fusion Cloud, friends. Any questions on this? If you are good, we'll continue further. Ram Garu, Damodar, any questions? Justin, Mani Garu, Justin Garu, Mani. Who's this?
Vamshar Damodar here.
Go ahead, Damodar.
So I have one doubt. Like you are saying that it is a reporting tool. So do we have any coding part, PLC logics, or to be implemented to develop this report?
Yes. So we have that too. We are going to apply PLSQL or SQL packages, SQL coding, and we will develop the reports. That also is there. Don't worry. But it is not. It is not your like your traditional model of reports, and it is a new model of reports that we are going to develop. So how it is going to be and how it will works, we will see that. Okay.
Okay. So that this all coding part, or this comes under PAS, only PAS. SAS, it is not.
In SAS also we can develop the reports. A report part we can do, even coding also.
Okay.
In SAS, it will be restricted for integration only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, actually we will get this Fusion access, right? Fusion application access.
Who is this?
Yeah.
Ramgar, Chapani. Go ahead.
Yeah, actually we get this access also, right? Fusion application access.
Yes. So with this training itself, you will get the Fusion application access, material, and all the video recording at the end of every week you will get.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
So that for you to practice. So for this batch only, we are introducing the scripts also. Scripts for your practice. We'll take the real business requirement and we'll give that in a script. So giving that business requirement, how that business requirement can be executed. So what is the scripts and what all the setups that you have to do, how the flow will be. So you have to go to those setups in your material and implement that setup. So that is how we are trying to give the scripts also.
Okay, got you.
So that will give you a real implementation project practice.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions from anyone? Sampath, any questions? Subhai, any questions?
I don't have any question.
Thank you, Sampath. Subhai, any questions from you? Justin, do you have any questions? Mani Garu, Ram Garu, Suresh, Divya Garu, Vikram?
It's all good, Vamshi. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Vikram, any questions from you?
So I'm fine.
Okay. Divya Garu, Suresh, Mani Garu?
No questions from my end.
Okay. So friends, if you don't mind, can you please drop your mobile number and your email ID in the chat, so that if I have anything or I need to share this video, so I can share that through your email. So
Yeah,
please,
sure.
please drop your email ID in the chat, or your phone number and email ID, both of them.
Yeah, sure. We will share.
Everyone, please do that. Everyone, please do that. Ram Garu and Mani Garu, you both also to please do that.
Okay, Vamshi, shall we drop now?
Yes, thank you very much. So if you people have given the mobile number as well as email ID, so you can drop. So with this, once again, last and final slide that I want to show. Please wait. And this is how our fusion looks like, Sandy. So this is how the fusion page looks like, with a colorful pictures and everything. So it will give you colorful pictures and everything. You're going to see the Fusion Cloud ERP, how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, the Fusion with the colorful pictures, and that is the reason people are very much adapted to Fusion Cloud nowadays. Now, this is our last screen, and if you have any questions, you can. And you can take my number. You can take my number. My mobile number is 9052. My mobile number is 9052 184567. It is 9052 184567. You can reach me anytime. That is my WhatsApp number. So 24/7 I will be on. You can reach me anytime. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for today. And tomorrow also we'll meet the same time, 6:30 to 7:30. Be there, and we will continue our sessions like this. So there won't be any stop or any pause. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Vamshi.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.
Good day, sir.
Thank you very much.
No, Vamshi.
Go ahead. Who is this?
Ramchandra.
Ram Gachapani.
Sunday
Yes.
ఉంటుందా లేదా ఓన్లీ సాటర్డే రాత్రి?
Sir, we have 7 days session, sir.
Great, sir. Bye.
Because we are taking only 1 hour a day. Actually, I used to take 1.5 hour. So if I take 1.5 hour, I used to give the break of Saturday and Sunday. But here, for this session, we are taking only 1 hour a day because of your regular work. Also, it should not disturb. So that is the reason it will be continuous 7 days.
Okay.
Okay, sorry for that, but I can't do anything because we need to cover all the stuff, so we need to have that. That's it.
Okay, fine. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Bye bye.